Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. So we're working on the pegboard. So my pegboard, it's actually been a nice little project. Okay, so I painted it and I went and got some dowels. I painted my dowels. I cut them, and now I'm just sticking them in. And you can, put your dowels in the way you want to, in the pattern that you want to. All right. What I did was, all right, all I did is I wrote. Now right here I have some Gorilla wood glue. All right, but you don't have to necessarily do Gorilla. It's just what I had downstairs. Elmer's makes some. All kind of people make wood glue. Okay, and it seems to work good. This stuff dries clear. So what I'm doing is I'm going every two. Then I'll just stick it in there. All right, and just push it forward a little bit so it's angled up. So when I hang it, it's angled up a little bit. All right, that's all I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. Slide that baby in there, angle it up a little bit. All right, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably do maybe 5 rows like this because I have these cones, the big cones like that, and I probably have 5 rows of that. And then what I'll do is I'll probably go a couple of spaces, and then I'll go 3 rows for these threads right here. All right, so that's the plan for right now, but it could change. So what I'm gonna do is, and then once I get done with that, then I'll put it up on the wall, and I'll have somewhere to put my threads because I still have these too. I have all of these the hoopla threads right here, big hooplas. I call it hoopla. I don't know. But these little ones, they're gonna go on the board too. Okay, but the cones, we're getting out of control. Okay, they're starting to take over the place, and I like them because they're so huge. I like all that thread. 3,000 yards? I think something like that. 3,000 feet? I don't know what it is, but I like these. All right, and they're gonna get a special place. They have to have a home like everybody else. Okay. So this is what it looks like for right now when you put the cones on. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Bill Nye, the science guy, would be really proud of me. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. All right. And then when I hang it on the wall, I got to find a spot. But when you hold it up, kind of don't want to lift it up, but I got pegs right here and my rotary cutter. Let me put that down here. But, when you hold it up, when it goes up, look at that. Yeah. It looks like that, right? But, I didn't even talk about this part. Look at this. So what I did was I got a few of the dowels, and I cut them down to smaller pieces because I want to be able to hang up my rulers. Because most rulers have the same size hole through them. Well, at least the rulers that I use, my Omnigrids, have that same size hole, right? But I went down here for this size, for this ruler right here. Oh, here it is, right here. This one. There we go. Look at that. Then you have like a little baby one. Look at that little baby. Look at that. So then when I hang it up, but here's another ruler, my TQM binding tool. Hey, look, that's a great name too, right? TQM. The Quilters Mercantile. All right. Good company. Great ruler. All right. I ordered it. I actually I ordered it online through Missouri Star Quilt Company because Jenny made a great video, and I was like, oh, I'm getting that. So as soon as my wife went to sleep, got on, and I ordered the ruler, TQM ruler. The binding tool came, and look at that, perfect hole. Look at that, and it hangs right on there. So this little area is for my rulers. So you'll see the rulers hanging until I get more rulers, and then we'll have to relocate, okay? But this is it, all right? This is my pegboard for my thread, okay? It's easy to do, all right? If you have questions, just get with me. All right, so I'm gonna build one for gift basket appeal, okay? She wanted one, for her ribbons. All right, so I'm gonna make one for her ribbons. She asked for pink, but I'm not doing pink. You and I know we're not doing pink. Okay, probably like a baby blue or something, and then I'll put the pegs in it for her ribbons. All right, and then we'll send it off to her. But this is it. We'll post a picture of it completed and hanging hopefully soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.